Well, we knew the buck was in there. We had eyes on him early, but it's super thick, so kind of surrounded him. Ridge and Ty came from the far side, started working in, and we couldn't see it, but we had the best view into there. They came down right on top of it. It got up, I think saw us also, so it kind of had pressure from both sides. It headed straight down to the bottom. Grandpa was in the bottom, but a ridge over, so he didn't see it. And then Devin's on the other face. Went down the bottom, up towards Devin. Devin saw the best, had a chance at it from far, but I think it was moving. So after that, he got out of town. But good buck. Good to see him in the snow, silhouetted, but Slick gave us the slip. Alright, well, we got eyes on what you call it, a stomper. Super solid buck. He's chasing a doe really hard. He's clear across the way, which is never fun because it's steep and nasty, but we're just sitting on our duffs, so might as well go up there and give it a shot. So we're going to go down to the bottom, go up and climb for a good ways, and then we're going to have eyes over here to see if we can just kind of see where they're going and try to make a plan. So here we go. Smelled us, seen us, heard us. You know, moving out of here slowly. On the move again. This buck didn't. We got a little loud, this little crunchy, so he left his does and was moving away from us. But luckily, Devin's on the far side, so kind of waiting to hear an update. I think he's moving right to him. We're getting down in here in case he might come back into us, but so thick in here that it's just hard to move and do anything, so gotta really get a spot and stay put. That's the goal. Get to another next clearing and see if he'll move back to us. We found the buck. He was bedded probably 150 yards away. We were just gonna wait him out. He was in a good spot. You still hear this guy yelling at his dog. Literally, this dog from the trail comes up, spooks him out of his bed, pushes him over the hill. Devin's over there. Dog's still in the trees right here. And Devin's still over there. Who knows? I haven't got an update if it ran into him or not. Crossing our fingers. Here's another bed. Might have been here the other day. Or something else. Devin hit him but back too far, but we haven't seen him come out yet. Says he hit him but back. Let's go up there and
How close was he?
20 yards.
You didn't drill him, or did you?
Oh, I drilled him, but
Just gut shot him?
how's that?
Behind the guts?
No, definitely in the guts. But could have been. I could have caught liver.
Did you pass through?
I found it. No, I think it ran off with my arrow drill. In.
Well, that's good and bad.
Did you see an arrow back in there?
We were on his tracks, but where'd you shoot from?
Right here.
Where'd you shoot from?
Right there.
So you're below him?
Yeah.
Too bad my phone didn't work. I was texting you like, he's coming.
Dude, my phone. I messed with it this morning to try to get it working, and it's nothing working except for the ringer. Ridge called me and it rang.
Oh, really?
To your right. I'm like, I can't see it until it literally. I was.
So you had good height.
I like staring at me and starting to go, and I.
Yeah, probably when he was leaving. I was like, I had a picture of him in his bed, and I could show you like where it was at. So
right there.
no, it's over here. I thought you were right here at the top of it.
Oh, I thought the whole time I was watching that.
No, he was back in there.
Well, Rick said he went uphill and then just darted down.
You hear a guy like yelling at the dog.
Yeah.
This dog comes off the trail and he goes up where that buck. He literally went up to that buck's bed. Really? Got the buck out of his bed.
Oh.
And he wasn't running, but he came out like hopping. And then he probably slowed down a little bit coming this way. He's big.
He's gonna die.
Yeah, no. This snow, that's why I said don't push him.
Rock. Well, it looks like a tan body. But.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Look, if it ran down this and you get on that hillside.
I was in position for, I don't know, 45 minutes.
A minute, yeah.
Probably. Just waiting, hoping. And sounds like a dog came from the bottom up to where this buck was bedded and scared it up. And it came running at me. I was looking down and had like a little hill, so I couldn't see it, but all of a sudden it was on me at 20 yards and shot it, but a little far back, little back, but we're hoping that it's dead. Waiting it out.
Waiting game right now. So been about an hour right now. So we got about 3 more hours of daylight. So we're trying to figure out how much we're gonna sit, and we'll go in.
Good buck. Let's hope.
Giant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
I mean, he's this close. He'd listen to us.
Just right there, like 100 yards away.
If you showed me that picture, I could have told you that before.
Yeah, I can see what Beckham found on the photo, and it looks like the body.
You. All right. Heck yeah.
Look, right here. See that? Kind of.
Nice.
Dude.
All right.
Let's go.
Happy
Sweet.
birthday to me.
Heck yeah.
The old birthday never
All right.
fails.
Should we wait for you?
He's running. Can you?
All right. Sweet. Bye.
Dude. Beckham found. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Technically, I found it first.
Yeah.
I would like.
Beckham.
We were looking at it like, what are you talking about? Like,
Yeah, dude.
so he died quick. Well, Ridge is coming down. He says he can see the feet and everything else, so we're just celebrating prematurely, but we can tell from what he can see, it looks like it's dead deer.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Awesome.
He's right below. If you walk, he's almost to the trail, so head to your left. Ridge is going to be he's
See.
He's like right here.
In here?
Yeah.
You think we'd see him?
He's not down lower.
I'm pretty sure that's the rock he was just right below it.
I mean, we got blood right here, but we haven't gone any farther.
Dude, what a sick. That's cool.
Dude, I can't believe how it happened because I thought it was done. That's why Beckham and I were like, well, we're just gonna go over there. We can't mess it up, right? And then you guys hadn't seen it apparently.
I was like, well, he's either gonna go to Devon or we're gonna see where he goes. And then you like sent that picture because I knew he was like within in this brush.
I saw him
but
go to
just
that
couldn't
ridge
see it.
line, and I thought he was going in up it, and then he went in the trees, and then we lost him, and I sat there forever, and I'm like, well, I guess they're watching him because I hadn't heard anybody talk.
I just kept telling Ty, I'm like, dude, if that buck goes up, like Devon's gonna smash him. Dude, this guy though, he's standing just clueless as could be. Like,
No, there's a hill. You can't see anything.
I know, but it was just so. It was like the most panic
looked
moment
like
I've
it
ever
was-
had, dude.
You're like, you better go dry your bow.
I'm like, get pick up your bow. He's just standing there.
He wanted to come fight me, I think.
Dude, he didn't know what was going on. So did he run because of you guys, or
So
did
a
he
doe
just?
came over, and then a dog. Did you hear the guy like yelling at his dog?
I did.
Yeah, so this dog literally came from the bottom and it was like up in that the deer's bed. So the deer like got up before he got there, and I started texting him. My service sucked. I'm like, Dev, he's coming, and that didn't get sent. And I saw him like, I thought Devin was like right on the top of those trees, and I was like waiting because he just kind of slowly trotted up there, and I'm like, thump him, thump him, thump him. Then he went around, and I'm like, and then I never heard anything on my phone, like no shot, nothing. And so we just keep coming over here, and then finally, I must have got service or something. They're like, he hit him, but hit him back. And that's when we basically met up with you.
Dude, but this bush right here, he did a death jump.
Like right here.
Yeah, dude,
landed
he
right
freaking
here.
jumped 15 feet in the air. Boom! And I was like, oh. And then yeah, he just ran up there, and I lost him. But he must have just fell over and died.
Well, let's go.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, last blood's like right here. So he either went down there or
Pretty sure he's just
stay
dead
right
right
there.
here.
hey, he's right here.
What a freaking mega! Devin might have just killed the biggest deer on the front, dude. Woo! Devin, look at that freaking beast, dude!
Dad's calling me.
Oh my gosh, dude. He's a mega. You just smashed a giant.
Oh my.
All the 2 points you passed, man.
Made.
Paid off. Woo! See why I couldn't see where he was? Like, see why it's weird?
Yeah.
Dude,
Oh.
he died on a cliff.
This is tough. I left my bow and bag back there for
Oh, right here.
a reason.
You want to do? You kind of want a background where you're just like all sky, don't you? Like big, like right over there.
Get us those sky.
Maybe
that's like a preview if you like that.
Sure, it's freaking sweet.
get to the side of him, either top or bottom.
Oh, there you go.
Oh boy. Oh shoot. Oh, how'd that feel?